Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Muzaffarnagar school molestation case. Manager of institute arrested. The Uttar Pradesh police has arrested the manager of the school where 17 students were molested on November 17. The police also produced two of the students in court on to record their statements. However, the statement of the students record the statement of only one of them could be recorded. 17 class 10 girls of a school in Uttar Pradesh, Muzaffarnagar were called to the campus on November 17 and asked to stay overnight on the pretext of the CBSCE practical exam. They were allegedly served food laced with sedatives and then molested by the school owner. They returned home from the private school in the Purkazi area only the next day. The accused Yogesh Kumar was arrested and produced in court late on Monday and sent to jail. The accused had allegedly threatened the girls to not to tell anyone what happened or their family members would be killed. The girls are from very poor families, sources said. Earlier, a departmental inquiry had been initiated against Purkazi Station House official Vinod Kumar Singh for his alleged negligence in the case after it had surfaced that the parents of the girls tried to register complaints but to no avail. He was sent to police lines on the charges of delay in initiating actions in the case, an official said. Suspect in Saudi journalist Jamal Khashoggi killing arrested in France. French police on Tuesday arrested a suspected member of the hit squad that killed Saudi journalist Jamal Khashoggi as the man was about to board the flight from Paris to Riyadh. French law enforcement sources said. Khashoggi's fiancée welcomed the detention of the suspect and said he should be prosecuted for his role in the 2018 killing. But the Saudi embassy in the Paris said the arrested person has nothing to do with the case in question. Therefore, the Kingdom embassy expects this immediate release. It said in a statement. A French police source and a judicial source named that the man as Khaled Aid Al Otaibi, the same name as a former member of the Saudi Royal Guard who is identified in the US and British sanctions list and an UN Commission report as having been involved in Khashoggi's killing. The police who detained him were acting on a 2019 arrest warrant issued by the Turkey, the country where Khashoggi was killed according to the police source. Last year, a Saudi court jailed 8 people for between 7 and 20 years over the killing, but none of the defendants was named. The trial was criticized by an UN official and human rights campaigners who said the masterminds of the murder remained free. In her 2019 report of the United Nations clamored named Al Otaibi as being part of the Saudi team that killed Khashoggi and dismembered his body before flying back to Saudi Arabia. Fireworks also a sixth census, fourth Barwara for Katrina Kaif, Vicky Kaushal's pre-wedding bash. Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal pre-wedding festivities have finally started at Sixth Senses Resort, Fort Barwara in Sawai Madhopur. All the wedding guests reached the venue today, December 7 from Jaipur Airport. As per the latest visual shared by the fan, there are fireworks inside the wedding venue. The couple and the guests are having a grand time at the Mehendi ceremony. The Sangeet ceremony is all set to take place tomorrow, December 8. Vicky and Katrina will tie the knot on December 9. The luxurious resort has also been lit up for the grand wedding. We shared stunning visual of the same earlier and now a fan has shared the video from the outside the wedding venue where fireworks can be seen. From the past few weeks, we have been getting exclusive details from the Vicky Katrina wedding, right from the SOPs to the wedding venue price to special tents arranged for the guests. The couple has not left any stone unturned to make their special day for everyone. A source at the hotel confirmed to Indian Today in that the couple's wedding planners have booked 8 to 10 tents for the VVIP guests. The per night rent of the tents begins from 70,000. All guests have been assigned a code which is known only to the wedding planners. The hotel staff has only given the code number. Facing the Chautka Barwara Mandir, the fort was built in 14th century and was originally owned by the Rajasthan royal family. The fort has been restored extensively to make 48 shoot resort focused on wellness experience. The resort has 3 restaurants which serve traditional Indian and continental cuisines with locally sourced ingredients. There is also a spa and fitness center spread over 30,000 square feet.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.